Picture windows are a popular feature in many homes, offering expansive views and allowing natural light to flood into your living spaces. Their large, unobstructed glass panes can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home and provide beautiful, panoramic views of the outdoors. However, over time, even the most well-maintained picture windows can begin to show signs of wear and may need to be replaced. If you live in Orangeburg and are wondering whether it's time to replace your picture windows, this guide will help you recognize the key signs that indicate it's time for an upgrade. From drafts and energy inefficiency to visible damage, here are the top signs that it's time to replace your picture windows. Increased energy bills. One of the most common signs that your picture windows need replacing is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Over time, older windows can lose their energy efficiency due to worn-out seals, cracks in the frame, or aging glass. If you've been noticing that your heating and cooling costs are higher than usual, it could be due to drafts or air leaks around your picture windows. In Orangeburg, where temperatures can fluctuate between hot summers and chilly winters, this issue can become especially problematic. Picture windows with poor insulation allow heat to escape in the winter and let cool air in during the summer, putting additional strain on your HVAC system. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing and low-E coatings can significantly reduce your energy consumption and help you save on utility bills. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel drafts near your picture windows or notice that your home feels colder or warmer than it should, it's likely that the seals around the window have deteriorated. Picture windows, which are fixed and do not open, rely heavily on proper sealing to prevent drafts and air leaks. Over time, the weather stripping or caulking can wear out, allowing air from the outside to enter your home. In Orangeburg, where outdoor temperatures can change rapidly, air leaks around your picture windows can make it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. If you're noticing that your home is drafty or experiencing temperature fluctuations near the windows, it's time to consider replacing them with more energy-efficient options that will keep your home comfortable year-round. Visible damage to the glass or frame. Another obvious sign that your picture windows need replacement is visible damage to the glass or frame. Cracked, chipped, or foggy glass can impair your ability to enjoy the views outside, and it can also compromise the window's ability to insulate your home. Fogging between the panes of glass often indicates that the seal has broken, allowing moisture to enter, which can reduce the window's energy efficiency. Additionally, if the window frame is showing signs of rot, warping, or other forms of damage, it may be time to replace the window. Wooden frames, in particular, are susceptible to moisture damage, which can compromise the structural integrity of the window and make it harder to open and close, even though picture windows don't open. If your picture windows have visible damage that affects their performance or appearance, it's best to replace them before the issues get worse. Difficulty in cleaning and maintenance. Picture windows are designed to offer an unobstructed view, but over time, they can become difficult to clean and maintain, especially if the seals are compromised or if there is significant dirt or debris trapped between the panes. If you've noticed that your picture windows are increasingly difficult to clean, or if you are unable to remove dirt or condensation buildup between the panes, it's time to consider replacing the windows. Older windows may also become discolored or stained, which can affect the aesthetic appeal of your home. Modern picture windows are designed with low-maintenance materials and can be much easier to clean, especially with advanced glass coatings that prevent dirt buildup and reduce the need for frequent cleaning. Reduced aesthetic appeal. Over time, the appearance of your picture windows can become outdated, or they may no longer match the overall style of your home. If your windows are aging, have begun to yellow or fade, or simply look worn, replacing them can significantly improve your home's curb appeal. New picture windows can restore the beauty of your home and enhance the overall aesthetic, making it look fresher and more modern. In Orangeburg, where homes often reflect a mix of traditional and contemporary styles, replacing old picture windows with more modern, stylish alternatives can instantly boost the visual appeal of your home. A fresh set of picture windows can complement your home's design, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Persistent condensation between the panes. If you notice condensation or moisture between the panes of your picture windows, it's a sign that the window seal has failed. This is a common issue with older windows, and it can be especially problematic if left unaddressed. Condensation between the glass panes not only obstructs your view but also reduces the window's insulating properties. When the seal on a picture window breaks, it allows moisture to get trapped between the panes, leading to fogging, mold, and mildew growth. If you're dealing with persistent condensation and are unable to remove it, it's time to replace the window and restore your home's comfort and aesthetics. Conclusion. Picture windows offer beautiful, expansive views and ample natural light, but over time, they can show signs of wear and become inefficient or damaged. If you're noticing any of the signs mentioned above, such as increased energy bills, drafts, visible damage, or difficulty cleaning, it's time to consider replacing your picture windows. By upgrading to newer, energy-efficient windows, you can improve your home's comfort, enhance its aesthetic appeal, and boost its overall value. In Orangeburg, where weather conditions can fluctuate, replacing your picture windows can significantly improve your home's insulation, reduce energy costs, and create a more inviting living space. Consult with a professional window installer to determine the best replacement options for your home and enjoy the benefits of beautifully functional windows for years to come.